Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a spicy vegetable beef stew recipe. The ingredients are 1 1/2 pounds of beef stew meat, 1/3 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 chopped onion, 2 cups of cubed potatoes, 1 cup of sliced carrots, 1 cup of chopped celery, 1/2 cup of frozen peas, 1 can of mild rotel, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 bay leaf. The first step is to mix 1/3 cup of flour with 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and coat the beef stew meat. In a large pot, heat the 2 tablespoons of oil. Brown the meat in the oil until it's browned on all sides. After the meat is browned, add the vegetables. Now we add the seasonings. Pour in the 3 cups of beef stock, 2 teaspoons of kitchen bouquet, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir all of the ingredients together and bring to a boil. Then turn the heat down to low and simmer for 2 to 3 hours or until the meat is tender. Remove the bay leaf. And that is a spicy vegetable beef stew recipe.